about to be beheaded, and she's going to be buried alive. And so things are not very cheerful. And so they're thinking, how can things get any worse? Well, they decide they'll make the best of it, and so they're laughing through their tears, crying through their laughter, whatever it is, thinking, well, they might as well go ahead and see what happens after. So brightly dawns our wedding day.